This is a 2001 Mercury Sable. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include power-adjustable driver pedals, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, a leather interior, 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, a chrome grille, dusk-sensing headlights, an external temperature gauge, and cruise control. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.